A German national with a valid US green card has been detained by immigration officers at Logan Airport, Massachusetts, sparking outrage and raising concerns over immigration policies in the US. Now, 34-year-old Fabian Schmidt was returning from a trip to Luxembourg on March 7th when he was taken into custody. According to his family, Schmidt, who has lived in the US since his teens and resides in New Hampshire, was arrested, stripped naked and subjected to what they describe as violent interrogation before being moved to a detention facility in Rhode Island. His mother says Schmidt's green card was recently renewed and he has no legal issue. Yet his travel document was flagged upon arrival. His partner, who was waiting to pick him up, spent hours searching for answers before realizing he had been detained. Officials have not provided specific details citing privacy regulations, but US Customs and Border Protection said that individuals who violate visa terms or statutes may be detained and even removed. Now, Schmidt's case is the latest in a series of incidents where lawful US residents have been detained at US airports. This case was one of many in the recent past where there's growing concern over the treatment of green card holders at US airports. Indian green card holders in the US are also facing increased scrutiny at airports, with reports of overnight detention and pressure to surrender their residency status. Immigration attorneys say elderly Indians, especially those who spend winter months in India, are being questioned extensively upon their return. Under US immigration laws, green card holders who stay outside the country for more than 180 days are treated as seeking readmission. Those absent for over a year risk being considered as having abandoned their US residency. However, legal experts warn that individuals should not be forced to give up their green cards unless a judge rules on their case. Many elderly Indian residents have been asked to sign Form I-407, effectively surrendering their status. Now, lawyers are advising that individuals should not sign under pressure, as doing so waives their right to appeal. The issue has raised concerns within the Indian diaspora as families fear losing their legal status due to prolonged visits to India.